On behalf of Innovative Education and Scientific Research Foundation, I, Dr. Jayant Sharma, President of IESRF, welcome you all. IESRF is one of the leading non-profit organizations dedicated to medical and scientific research. IESRF is associated with various scientists, medical professionals, research scholars, and students who are wholeheartedly dedicated to research and development in the field of medical health, nursing, dental sciences, and pharmaceutical sciences. IESRF is a pioneer body committed to innovation with quality in the area of research, which resulted in scientific revolution and sustainable development in the medical field. It is a proud moment for all of us to be the part of Innovative Education Scientific Research Foundation. We have successfully covered our journey of sharing knowledge through this platform. We consistently delivered the best of our capabilities to improve, support Indian academia. In order to constantly polish researchers' ability, IESRF organized events on research publications, scientific writing guidelines, publication ethics, etc. I request you to go through the YouTube channel for the archives. Today, at this grand online event, I would like to thank our editors, reviewers, and authors for their constant effort to improve the quality of our journals. Through IESRF Research Awards 2021, we would like to honor all the prominent researchers who have been consistently assisting us in delivering high quality research work for the betterment of mankind. I thank you all once again.